What's the first step in offering acceptable prayer?
But without faith it is impossible to please him. For he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him.
And here we are, back to this verse and the topic of faith. This is the first step in offering acceptable prayer to God. When coming to him in prayer, you have to believe in who he is. The next part speaks to his intentions. God doesn't want you to come to him with the mindset that he doesn't want to hear you, or that he doesn't want to help you or give you what you ask him for. He wants you to talk to him with the understanding that he would be thrilled to give you the desires of your heart.